see by the intro, I'm releasing merch. I'm super excited about this shit. I've been working on this for like 2 to 3 months now. Finally see something you put your hard work into go into action. It's priceless. The brand I'm officially starting up. Damn, it's hot out here, bro. The brand I'm officially gonna be starting up is called Step Out. Like I said, I'm super excited about this, bro. I've always wanted my own brand, bro. And whether it be clothing, apparel, I'm excited to see where this brand goes. We got one of the shirts right here. It's the black one. I don't got the white one right now because I didn't really want to touch it. I got dirty hands right now. I was working on the whip. Check this merch out, bro. The brand is called Step Out. Guys, this is the first drop. This is something big. As you can see, it's a snail with a turbo as the shell. Got some flames coming out the exhaust. Fire, bro. Step Out. That boy got a mean look to him, man. He ain't normal. Feel me? He different. You know what I'm saying? So the meaning of step out is actually really significant to me. Just step out, be different, make your own path. Don't let anybody tell you what you can and cannot do, you feel me? Step out of your comfort zone. That's something I struggle with a lot. That's why it's so significant to me. Stepping out of my comfort zone and actually starting a YouTube channel. You know, that was really big for me. So if you fuck with me, you fuck with the concept, you fuck with the design, you know what I'm saying? This is the first drop. This is limited. Very, very limited. I'm not gonna lie to you, a lot of y'all might not get it. There's not even any smalls, bro. I didn't even have the opportunity to get any smalls for you guys, but man, we got medium, large, XL, and XXL. It's an XL right here. It fit real nice, bro. You can see in the video, I'm wearing a large. I'm 6 foot. Both my other friends, they wearing XLs. They're a little bigger, so it fits really nice when your body hugs you. You feel me? There's not no cheap shit, bro. I really did not cheap out on the quality. I wanted the quality to be A1. It's from Egypt, bro. This shit from Egypt right here. You know what I'm saying? That's, yeah. Egypt. New drop Friday the 13th. 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oh, y'all can see too, my windshield was cracked. I got that fixed. Cracked right here. Got a whole new replacement. Got some bad news. Cracked the windshield the other day. Damn, bro. Cracked it yesterday. It was like this big. Left it overnight, came back outside. All the way up here, bro. Damn, bro.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
God damn. What the f? Crazy.
Stop playing with.
I'm dead. That's my old one. That's where that shit went. Yo.
What was that? Down there?
Yeah. Yo. I was looking for that shit.
Stop playing with them, Riot.
I'm gonna have a fishbowl. Shit looks absolutely insane, bro. Nigga, like, it's not supposed to happen. Finally see it. First time you see through that shit. First and only time y'all seeing through that. That's the forehead. She got a new forehead, bro. I don't know. That shit crystal clear, boy.
See that, man, the Corey?
What?
Why them little trees?
Hey, watch out, bro.
Sexy mother.
I'm a hoarder. Sexy ass bitch.
Let me show the YouTube my car.
Oh shit.
What I be saying?
Oh,
The whip now, boy.
Ooh?
I got me a truck, boy.
Oh, where that shit at, bro?
They putting bags on it.
What
so
you mean?
it's at the shop, they putting bags on it.
Alright. I need to see that. Need to see that pop out though.
Yeah, for an hour, don't drive it, don't wash it or clean it for 24 hours.
Okay. I could put 10 on how long? Do I have to
24
wait?
hours.
24 hours?
Yeah.
Like trying to pop this out right here, and he put too much pressure right here, and it just cracked right here, bro. Overnight, that grew to here, bro. I was like, yo, I I think I'm gonna rock with this for like maybe a week or two. So yes guys, the Civic is down. It's because I put it down. Took out the fuel pump. We were running the DW300C. After the dyno day, the car was actually performing well, and then all of a sudden it started giving me some issues. So everything else in the fuel system seems to be good. I have a fuel return system. Everything's working well. It's holding fuel pressure. Fuel pressure regulator seems to be working fine. On full boost, it was running a little bit lean. Full boost AFR is like 13 and 14, which is not supposed to be doing. The AFRs, while full throttle, is supposed to be low 11s. We got to get this figured out because we do not want to hurt this motor, man. Even though the motors are cheap to replace, you feel me? I get a new motor for like 600-700 bands. Oh shit. Okay. My fault. 600-700 beans. I was tweaking. Not the motor that's expensive, it's just the hassle, bro. Taking it out, putting the one back in. I'm not trying to go through that. You could go through that, but hopefully if this motor comes out, I have one built already to put in. We're gonna be getting rid of this whole assembly right here along with these hoses. We're gonna make a new feed line with this type of hose, rubber hose, whatever this is, and a barb fitting just like this. This is actually the return, but we're gonna make a new one for the feed. We're gonna get rid of this one. Essentially, we're gonna be replacing this with hose. And we're gonna use another bulk fitting just like this for the feed, probably on this side. But that is for another video. Took out the fuel pump. What are you gonna do? What new one are you gonna put in? I have a Walbro 525, which is used in Hellcats apparently. It's in Gama's car right now. He's not here right now. That's back Max, by the way. Clean. He's not aired out. I don't know why. Damn, monster truck face that boy. I'm about to fire your ass up. How you bagged and you sitting like this? That boy just got his new headlights too. Got his shit's retrofitted, boy. All types of colors, all types of flamboyant. Now, I know I just told you all of that, but what we are doing today is I'm waiting on some fittings and stuff. The car is gonna be sitting for a little while, so in the meantime, might as well reroute the fuel lines, man. So right now, the fuel lines run behind the engine. I have a 180 fit in that loops right here. The feed line is gonna run right on top of the fuel rail, and run right back there instead of behind the engine. Cause you know, that is kind of risky, I'm not gonna lie. It's been working, it doesn't really heat up like that. At least it doesn't heat up to where I notice. So as you can see, this is the fuel line right here. We follow it. It's tucked all the way back there with metal zip ties. Line isn't burnt or anything. Seems all the way good, but we're gonna go ahead and reroute this. Went ahead and took it from behind the engine, routed it through here, and sit like so. Just finished redoing the fuel line. I'm gonna probably redo the gold tape. Hopefully they have a black resistant tape maybe. It got fucked up from the zip tie that I was using. But we redid this line. This is our new feed. Goes all the way back to the tank. Once again, that's gonna be coming from our Walbro 525 Hellcat fuel pump. Hopefully we could keep up with some Hellcats after this.
Why are you crying?
Now let's do the return line, because there's a bunch of unnecessary linkages here, bro. I'm gonna just clean all that up, you feel me? It don't fit on. It was too tight. Finished rerouting all of the fuel line. Looks perfect, bro. Perfect. I don't think this could get any more perfect. Hopefully we can get the car up and running next video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for supporting me. I love y'all. Make sure you subscribe to stay tapped in with the build. Got a lot of stuff coming for this car, man. Oof, try to get this thing running right, bro. Make sure to like the video, comment any video ideas you want to see down below. I'll catch you on the next one.
My leg.
They make it active. I'm addicted to fashion and fashion.
Oh shit, I know business call.
They don't recognize now that I'm blasting. Gotta drop a couple for them maggots. You can talk a lot, but it get tragic. From the so we make